Anita from the Parks and Recreation Division. Today I'm going to show you how to make a George Washington wig. The materials you will need for this craft are jumbo cotton balls, a small gift bag, some ribbon, either hot glue or regular glue, a pen or marker, and a pair of scissors. Remember, with the scissors and the hot glue, make sure you have an adult's help. First, you want to take your small gift bag and draw a 5-like shape on your bag, such as this. Now you are going to cut along the line you just drew. And now you do not need the part with the handle, so you can put it off to the side, and this is what you should end up with. Now you are going to take the piece that you cut out. You're going to go ahead and open it up. Here's the bottom of the bag. Now we are going to start gluing on our jumbo cotton balls. They are going to go all over the outside of the bag. So you want to take some glue or hot glue, whatever you guys have at home, and go ahead and start gluing on the cotton balls. After gluing on all your cotton balls, this is how your wig should look. Now you're going to want to take your ribbon and go ahead and cut out a long strip and tie a bow with your strip of ribbon. After you finish tying your bow, you are going to want to go ahead and glue it onto the back of our wig. That is the long part of the bag. So you're going to take your hot glue gun, just put a little on the back of the ribbon, and glue it on to the back of your wig. Now that you have glued on your bow, you have finished your